Hello there, and welcome to another quick tutorial on how to optimize your Google Ads and stop wasting money. We are here in our demo account again, and what I'm going to show you is how to exclude mobile apps from your display campaigns as well as some of your other campaigns that may have display showing up, whether that's Performance Max or Demand Gen. Relatively simple task for you to do here, but you're going to have to do a couple of steps. So let's go over to our sidebar list here, and you're going to see exclusion list. Get into that exclusion list section here, and we're going to see this placement exclusions list. You will see I already have one, but let's add this up again. Okay, we're going to do this together. Click new list. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to call this all apps. Two, just so that it doesn't repeat on us. Then what you're going to want to do, because there is no actual overall exclusion that you can do for apps anymore. It used to be a little checkbox. They made a little bit of an Easter egg, a little hidden secret. We got to go into this enter section. We're going to manually enter this in. I'm going to use a little bit of a shortcut that I have for my system. I use text expander to expand out some text for me, and that's going to give me the actual name that we want to put in there. So we're going to add that one in. We're going to add that specific name here. And once you add that in and you click add placement, you're going to see magically it says all apps. How cool is that? All right. So I'm going to cancel this just because I already have this in here, but you would click save, and then you would go into the actual list and add it to any campaigns that are related to your display, whether it's Performance Max or display campaign. You can add those in right here. Okay. So that's how you exclude mobile apps from any of your display campaigns or campaigns that show display ads. Super easy, a huge money saver for you. Okay, give that one a go. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Take care.